Alright guys, welcome to the channel or welcome to the video. So from the title you probably already know what is this, but then I'm gonna bring a little bit more to the table other than what you see from the title. Alright, so the thing is, I just got this today. So you know, the tradition things that people do is that you got your device on the first day and you put on your screen protector and you put on your camera lens protector. Basically that is what I do as well. So you're gonna see a little bit of difference when I do the unboxing. Alright, so without further ado, let's bring out the stars of this video. So first off, you have the main lead, of course. This is before I do any introduction, let's just bring out all the other people as well. So I get another charger and I get a case for this. Alright, so let's first go for the main star, which is this. Okay, so I'm gonna remove these two first, and this is the iPhone 12 Pro Max. The color is actually the Pacific blue, I guess. So the thing is, it have already been open because once you get it in Singapore, when you get it from your telco or any other stores, they will first test your phone and make sure that it is actually working fine before you can bring it home, you see. So the thing is, this has already been opened before, and I have already done the necessary things to protect the phone. So nevertheless, let's just continue with the unboxing. Alright, so once you lift the box up, inside you see this very nice and beautiful blue. You get a little bit of gray as well, a hint of gray as well from under the lighting. I don't know if you guys can see this, but then to me it feels like it is blue and there's a hint of gray as well. Okay, so the different thing about this is that I already put on my camera lens protector. Okay, and out of the box, what you get is that you're gonna get this phone. And you're gonna get your cable. It's actually a USB-C to lightning cable, so gotta take note of that. It's not a normal or regular USB-A, it's a USB-C to lightning. And the next thing will be your paperwork, all the paperwork that you have here, your ejection pin, your Apple sticker. Yeah, you get what I mean. So other than all this, there is probably nothing more inside this box. Yeah, that is all there is to it. So you only have the phone and the charging cable. So there's no charging brick, just so you guys know. So for those of you who are actually buying your first iPhone for the first time, you're not gonna get any charging brick. You're gonna get your own charging brick. Alright, okay, so this is for the first device. The second item that we're gonna unbox is actually, let me put this aside. So the second item that we're gonna unbox is actually this, the MagSafe iPhone Pro 12 silicone case. You see that they actually have this thing where you can tear and open it up. So just gonna go ahead and do this, and you can just lift this to review your case, and that is all. And yeah, another paperwork, that is all. So I'm gonna put this aside, and out of the box you see that this is a silicone case. It feels nice to touch, a little bit slippery compared to the leather one, and you can just take this thing out by just pulling it off. And there's a plastic piece over here, you can just put it aside. Okay, so take a look inside over here. You have this MagSafe ring over here, and inside here is actually fabric. It's not everything is silicone. Inside here is actually fabric, which protect your phone from scratching or any other thing. Okay. So my first impression of this is it's actually quite hard, you know. It's not like those previously I get a silicone case as well. It's like you can just twist it really hard and it will just bend and you just go back to this normal form. But then this is actually really quite hard. You cannot really bend this. It's probably due to the magnet over here. And you know, compared to other case, this lip here doesn't really comes down so much. Like if you take a look at I know there's one UAG, the poly case, if I'm not wrong. The lip here is actually quite soft, so you can just, you know, break this thing quite easily. But for this, it's actually quite sturdy, and you have a very nice camera bump over here. Okay, let's put it on and see how it looks like. So to install the phone cover, what you need to do is you just need to align your phone properly and just give it a nice push. Yeah, and that's it. So since I have the screen protector already installed, you see that there's actually not much of a lid between the screen and the cover. Can you see that? I hope the camera focus. Yeah, so there's actually not much distance between the screen and the cover. So when you put it down like that, you just need to be sure that there's no particles on the table before you put it down, and just move it around. Alright. The next thing about this is that this camera bump actually have a very good height to it. It's just that because I have a protective case over the lens as well, that is why it is like flushed to the bump. Okay, so this is like, if you want to know what is this is actually just, you know, another paper thing that they fold it into a structure so that it can actually hold your silicone case. That is all. So the third product that is coming out is the USB-C wall charger. So for those of you who know that this year your iPhone, it doesn't comes with your wall adapter, so you gotta get one yourself. So I do not have a USB-C wall adapter, so I'm gonna get one. And because I have a Apple Watch, and the Apple Watch actually uses USB-A, type A, so I think this is actually a good buy. You have a USB-A and you have a USB-C. So without further ado, let's do the unboxing. So for this, I will need my handy dandy pen knife. I think there's more to this. Okay, so this is actually a if I'm not wrong, this is actually a 30-watt charger. Yeah, it says it's actually deliver up to 46 watt under USB power delivery. I guess this is a PD port over here. So let's just open it up and show you guys how these things work. So straight out of the box, you will be getting this. Oh my god. Okay. Oh well, it's already here. Okay, but anyway, straight out of the box, you'll be getting this charger alone. I'm living in Singapore, so my plug is the UK plug. Is this interchangeable? No, I don't think it's interchangeable. Alright, so you just plug it in like this, and yeah, you just put your USB in and it's gonna start charging. Okay, so over here you see that this is actually a USB type C. Okay, this is if I'm not wrong, it's actually a USB 3.0. Although there's no data, but then the thing is, USB 3.0 generally provide you with more power delivery. So over here it says that it is actually a 56 watt turbo charger. Yeah, and this is it, the Aukey wall charger. So straight out of the box, you will also get a paperwork, and yeah, that is about it. Okay, so guys, I hope you like this short and sweet unboxing video. If you like what you're seeing, please hit the like button. Your like is really a great help to the channel. Every like counts, okay? So thank you for liking the video, and if you want to see more of this, subscribe to the channel for more content of this. And yeah, that is all. Stay safe out there, people. I'll see you guys in the next video.